Welcome to Jadoo Baba Tech YouTube channel. If you want to create same loading that you are seeing on the screen by using HTML and CSS, then be in a tune.
Welcome to Jadoo Baba Tech.
So here we give the title as loading, as we are creating a loading, and our main code starting from center tag. So we create a center so that all the content will be aligned at the center. Then we use h2 tag for create heading, or you can say to write loading. Then we write loading and close h2 tag. Then we create three IDs: id1 loading 1, id2 as id loading 2, and id3 as loading 3. And let's move the CSS part so you get to know what's the code behind it. So at starting we started with the body tag, as we have to do editing in body section. So we write body, then we use curly bracket and give background color black and margin and padding as 50 pixels. So our main content have space from borders of 50 pixels. Then we have to edit an h2 heading. So we write h2 and again open curly bracket and write color to change text color as white, and give text shadow as 0 pixels and 25 pixels to give shadow. And to give the color to shadow we write yellow at the end. And then we close the curly bracket and move to id1, means loading 1. So we write hash loading 1 and open curly bracket. Then we write width value as 50 pixel, so that width will be 50 pixel. And then we write height and give 50 pixel value, so height and width will be 50 pixel. Now I use top left, margin left and margin top to adjust position, so you have to do it yourself according to your screen. As you are using mobile or Android, so you can give this value only. Then we give border value as 9 pixel solid, so that the circle we create for loading have border 9 pixel solid. And we use border radius as 50% so that the shape will be circle. Then we use border top color and border bottom color. You can use this function to change the color of the border top part and the bottom part. I use here hash code of a color. You can write color like light blue, sky blue, green, whatever. Then we use animation. The animation code is at the end. I will show you at the end. Then we use editing in loading 2, means id2. So we write hash loading 2 and open the curly bracket, and we give width and height equals to 30 pixel. You can adjust size as yourself. Then we use position, top, left, and margin top again. So these are used to adjust the position. So you have to do again this according to your screen. If you are using Android, you can write same code. Then again same, we are doing the same thing like we are doing in the part of loading 1. We write body radius equals to 50%, so that shape will be circle. Then we write text align center, so it will be in a center. Then we give border 8 pixel solid, so border will be solid 8 pixels. Then we again give border top color and bottom color. You can give according to your choice. Again we use animation. I will show you animation code at the last, how we create animation. Now we come on id3 hash loading 3. Now we give width and height again 30 pixels and position absolute, and we give the space from top 50% and left 55% and margin left minus 40 pixels and margin top minus 35 pixels, and we give the text color white by writing color white. So this idea I create to put the J at the center of the loading, as the channel name is Jadoo Baba Tech. So now come to the part what we create animation. So we create animation name as animation by writing @ keyframe animation. Then we write the code of the animation that will rotate the thing starting from 0 degree. So we use this animation in our ID1 and ID2 as name hash loading 1 and hash loading 2. Let's see. In loading 2 we write animation and give the name of the animation 2 second linear infinity. It will cover one round in 2 seconds, and this code is used in ID1 also, and the round will be infinity. At last, subscribe Jadoo Baba Tech YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will watch Jadoo Baba Tech videos.